Accidentally deleted an important sticky note. Don't panic just yet. In this tutorial, I'll show you the safest ways to recover deleted sticky notes in Windows, explain what recovery options are available, and what to do if your note can't be restored. When you delete a sticky note, it's removed from the app. In many cases, there isn't a built-in recycle bin inside sticky notes. However, depending on your Microsoft account, sync status, and backup options, you may still have ways to recover your information. First, open sticky notes and check your complete notes list. Sometimes a note may seem missing because it was closed or moved rather than deleted, so scroll through your notes carefully and use the search feature if it's available. If you signed in with your Microsoft account before the note was deleted, make sure Sticky Notes has finished syncing. Open your account settings and verify that you're using the correct Microsoft account. In some cases, synced notes may appear after synchronization completes. Depending on your version of Sticky Notes and your Microsoft account, your notes may also be available through Microsoft OneNote. If you regularly back up your computer using Windows Backup or another backup solution, you may also be able to restore older copies of your data. The best way to avoid losing important notes is to stay signed in with your Microsoft account, so syncing remains enabled. It's also a good idea to back up important information elsewhere if it's something you can't afford to lose. And that's how to recover deleted sticky notes, or at least improve your chances of getting them back. While recovery isn't always possible after permanent deletion, using sync and regular backups can save you a lot of trouble in the future. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and thanks for watching.